Today we're going to be switching out the high and low beams on this Mercedes ML350. Tools required is your pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and start off with our high beam, which is going to be the easiest. Go ahead and pop the hood. Go ahead and follow your headlight assembly. And as you see there is the headlight assembly cap cover. We're going to go ahead and twist that counterclockwise or to your left. Now you're going to go ahead and reach inside and you should be feeling a bulb with a lever, as you can see there. Now using your flathead or your pry tool, you want to go ahead and create a little bit of separation between the bulb and the connector. Go ahead and do that on both sides to make it easier on you. Now that we have our old bulb out, we're going to go ahead and inspect our new bulb and make sure it is ready to install. Simply go ahead and align the bulb base with the plug connector. As you can see here, they share the same footprint and will not work if you install it backwards. Insert it into the housing and remember to tighten it clockwise or to your right. Don't forget to add your light housing cover. That was high beam installation. Now we're gonna go ahead and do low beam installation. You want to go ahead and go under your wheel well. We're going to go ahead and use our pry tool to remove a clip. We're going to go ahead and remove our clip. There is an indentation with arrows. You're going to go ahead and point upward, up and release. That's going to go ahead and expose our light housing. We're going to go ahead and remove our cover counterclockwise. That will expose our bulb. We're going to go ahead and move counterclockwise as well and remove our bulb and the connector. As you can see there, we're going to go ahead and create a little bit of separation on both sides. Remove that, get our new bulb, inspect and install. Same steps. Go ahead and align the base together and push in. We're going to go ahead and put our bulb into the housing. We're going to go ahead and twist clockwise or to the right to tighten it. Now that the bulb is installed, we're going to go ahead and add our headlight housing cap cover. Remember, clockwise or to the right. And then we're going to go ahead and add our wheel well flap cover. Slide up and then down for the hooks to grab, and then go ahead and push your clip and we're good to go.